Outside today, a pretty seasonable January day, I should say, not July, although it looked kind of like July down the shore, but would be a lot more crowded if that were the case. Unfortunately, we are talking about a winter storm, and not only one, but two storms will impact us in the long range this weekend. That one will bring the chance for some snow, but if you're down the shore, we have another system next week that's going to bring another chance for beach erosion, wind and rain. So we've got two systems to really be concerned with for the shore points. What to expect? Again, colder air moving in later this week. We are timing out that rain and snow and a mix of the two for your weekend. Across the region today, again, not much to see here. It is a seasonable, sunny, quiet January day. We'll get to the mid-40s for highs, and we'll see a full day of sunshine. Nothing going on out there, just a few patchy clouds. Latest trends we're watching for our winter storm. This is going to get in here Saturday afternoon into Sunday. Storm track may be trending slightly further offshore in some of our new model runs, which means a slightly weaker system, but a better chance for snow. The track will continue to shift. So this is one thing I do want you to take away from this, is that we are watching the shifting of the track, and the best chance for accumulating snow does remain in those north and west suburbs, the Poconos, the Lehigh Valley. This looks like it's going to be all snow. It's the area right around I-95 that there is still some uncertainty. Again, the trends have been toward a little bit more snow possibly. You can see Saturday afternoon, this could start as snow and a wintry mix around the city, changing over to sleet and rain and then back to snow. But again, the best chance for significant accumulations far north and west suburbs with rain and strong winds down the shore. And again, the greatest uncertainty does remain around the city and nearby suburbs. Coming up, I'll take you through the rest of this timing into Sunday. We'll talk about a couple of different scenarios as well, but plan for rain, snow, or a mix of both this weekend, and it's going to delay some plans if you're going to be out and about Saturday into Sunday. Natasha, more coming up. I'll send it back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you. So let's talk about those changes that are, I was just talking to you during the break. Okay, so I'm thinking about errands for the weekend. When should I go out? When should folks kind of venture out? What do you think? That's
what we were just talking about, like you said, Natasha, and I told you Saturday morning you can still get out and get what you need to get done. Run any errands you need to do. By 3 or so on Saturday, I would probably make plans to be in for the rest of the night. That's when I think things will get started. This is mainly a Saturday night storm that we're talking about, and then moving out pretty quickly on Sunday morning, allowing road crews to get out and do any cleanup that needs to be done for the areas that pick up the heaviest snowfall accumulation. Again, greatest chance for significant snowfall accumulation. When I say significant, I mean over 3 inches or so would be north and west of the city. The farther north and west you go, the higher the elevation, the better chance you have of significant snow. The more snow will fall with this storm. It's right around I-95. It's always right around I-95 that we have these precipitation type challenges. The more uncertainty as to how much mixing is going to occur and how much snow will be able to accumulate. Today we are dry. We'll get through today quickly, and then we'll talk about the storm. 34 degrees right now, and today's high getting to 45. It's mostly sunny. It's a nice winter day. There's nothing going on the radar satellite composite today. We'll hit it quick and move right along because we've got a lot to talk about. Let's break down your weekend winter storm. Just a few takeaways here. The timing of this will start by late Saturday afternoon. The steadiest is Saturday night. It will linger into early Sunday morning, but should depart pretty quickly on Sunday morning. Some wraparound snow showers can't be ruled out on Sunday, though. Good chance for accumulating snow. In many spots, this is the best chance we've had in almost 2 years. It was late January of 2022 that we got our last really significant snow in Philadelphia, over 5 inches there. But the best chance for this to be all snow is the farther north and west you go. This is going to be a major coastal storm either way, with flooding, wind, and beach erosion down the shore. And again, it's the uncertainty zone, that spot right along I-95, that we'll be watching for, again, how much snow is able to fall and accumulate. So it's all about the track with winter weather forecasting. You could have a southerly track that misses us completely. That's not going to happen with the weekend storm. Best chance of snow, if you want snow here in Philadelphia, you want a storm that moves just off the coast and strengthens off the coast of New Jersey, throwing moisture back into cold air. If the storm goes a little further inland, at least for the weekend storm, it's more of a rain to mix with the best chance of snow to the north and west. Interestingly enough, I just want to show you quickly, we have 3 storms to watch here in the next week. One tomorrow goes by to the south. That's one of those mist storms. Heading into the weekend, this track right along the coast has the best chance to bring some snow. And then next week, another storm to talk about into Tuesday, which is going to be an inland system, and it's going to bring another chance for just heavy rain, and it's going to bring warm air with it. But a closer look of the weekend storm. Again, this one brings our best chance for accumulating snow in quite some time. Starting by late Saturday afternoon, continuing into Saturday night, you can see the snow breaking out north and west of the city with the highest accumulations in the mountains. There's that rain-snow line, a mix in the city. This will be a heavy, wet snow for all of us, but a slushy couple of inches cannot be ruled out around the city. Rain and wind down the shore, and then it does move out pretty quickly on Sunday. So we've got 2 next weather alert days. This is mainly a Saturday evening through Sunday morning storm, both days in a next weather alert. And once we get toward about 48 hours from the storm, so tomorrow we'll start to have some of our first call snowfall maps for this system. But again, greatest threat for significant accumulation farther north and west. But I do think we have a shot at seeing accumulation in the city as well. We clear it out, and then there's that next storm we mentioned with rain likely by Tuesday. Natasha, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you so